You can now create finishing operations for turning that use a continuous B-axis rotational motion. This new capability increases tool life, cuts more material in a single operation, reduces the number of tool changes, reduces the number of engages, and improves the quality of the surface. The continuous B-axis rotational motion is available for finish turn OD, finish bore ID, and finish back bore operations when the cut strategy is set to finish all. The variable option for reorient tool holder is new. This option allows you to define vectors at specified points that determine the B-axis rotational motion along the tool path. Absolute changes the tool orientation in relation to the XZ axis as the tool moves from one vector to the next. In this example, vectors 1 and 2 have the same orientation, so there is no B-axis rotational change as the tool moves toward vector 2. Vector 3 has a different orientation, so there is a gradual B-axis rotational change as the tool moves toward vector 3. There are no additional vectors, so there is no B-axis rotational change as the tool moves beyond vector 3. Relative changes the tool orientation in relation to the part geometry as the tool moves from one vector to the next. As before, vectors 1 and 2 have the same orientation, but the tool now gradually changes its B-axis orientation to maintain a consistent orientation relative to the part as it moves toward and aligns with vector 2. As before, vector 3 has a different orientation, but the tool now gradually changes its B-axis orientation to maintain a consistent orientation relative to the part as it moves toward and aligns with vector 3. There are no additional vectors, so the tool continues to maintain a consistent orientation relative to the part as defined by vector 3. The relative input mode defines the tool orientation with respect to the part geometry. It does not affect the tool path. The default is holder angle from part. For rhombic inserts, you can also switch to clearance angle and cutting angle.